Hey guys, this is Vino. You are watching Vino Schooling. In this session, we are going to discuss alter command. To add a unique key, we are having two ways like primary key. So now let's start first way of adding unique key. First part, alter table name is common. So here we are using add clause. Next last we are going to use unique key. Then finally we are going to give column name. Let's discuss with the example. Here we are having table T1. Now I am choosing brother name. We are going to add unique key to brother name column. So for that, alter table name is common. Then we are going to use add clause. Then we are going to use a unique keyword. Then within a round bracket we are going to give selected column name. So our selected column name is brother underscore name. Query okay. Then let's see the structure of table. So we can compare. Before changes, brother name is not having unique key. So after changes, brother name is having unique key. This is the first way of adding unique key. So now we are going to discuss second way of adding unique key. So for that, first we are going to take, so alter table name is common. Here we are going to use modify clause. Previously we used add clause. In second way we are using modify clause. Then third part is important. So here we are going to give column name with the data type. Finally we have to use unique keyword. So we'll discuss with example. So already we created brother name with unique key. So now we are going to choose sister underscore name. Alter table name is common. So here we are going to use modify clause. Next we are going to give selected column name with its data type. Then finally we have to give unique keyword or unique constraint. So query okay. Again we will check a structure of a table. So sister underscore name column, now it is having unique key, right? So you can see the difference. Before changes sister underscore name, it is not having unique key. After changes sister underscore name is having unique key. So we learned two ways of adding unique key by using alter command. Then we will learn how to delete unique key by using alter command. We are going to discuss how to delete unique key in already created table by using alter command. So for that we are taking alter command. Alter table name is common. Then here we are going to use drop clause. Finally we are going to use index keyword instead of using unique. So if you want to delete a unique constraint, we have to use index keyword. We have to use index keyword. It is very important. Then we have to give which columns unique key we want to drop. That column name we have to mention inside a bracket. Let's discuss with the example. Alter table name. Then we are going to use drop. To delete unique constraint, we have to use index keyword, index. Then we have to give column name. We are choosing brother underscore name. So after index keyword, we have to give column name. Not with data type, we can give only column name. So query okay. Then again we will check structure of a table. So you can see before changes brother underscore name is having unique key feature. After changes brother underscore name is not having unique key feature, right? So we learned how to add a unique key and how to delete a unique key. To delete a unique key we have to use index keyword instead of using unique keyword, right? So next we are going to discuss how to add default constraint. So for that, alter table name is common. here we are going to use modify clause, and third part is very important. So we have to give column name with data type, then default keyword, then finally we have to give default value, right? We will discuss with example. So alter table name is common, here we are going to use modify clause, then we have to give selected column name with data type. Here I am going to choose sister column name, sister underscore name with the data type. Then we have to give default keyword, finally we have to give default value. So here our data type is char data type, so I'm going to give character data, char data k. That's all. A query okay. So again we will check structure of table, describe T1. You can see that sister underscore name is now having k default value. You can see the difference before alteration. Sister column is not having default value. After alteration, sister column is having a default value k. So we learned how to add a default value to a particular column. Now we are going to learn how to delete a default value in a particular column, right? So for that, alter table name is common. Here we are going to use alter clause. So inside alter command we are going to use alter class. Then we are going to give column name. Again we are going to use drop class. This is the first time we are using two classes. First class is alter, then column name, then drop class, then we have to give a default keyword, right? So we'll discuss with example. Alter table name is common, so again we are going to use alter clause. Then we have to give column name. Our column name is sister underscore name. Then we have to give drop clause. Finally we have to give default keyword. No need to give default value, only we can give default keyword. Query okay. So after alterations we will check structure of table. You can see that sister column is not having default value, right? So we learned how to add a default value and as well as how to delete a default value. So next we are going to learn how to add check constraint in already created table. So for that we are going to take alter command. Alter table name is common. Then here we are going to use modify clause. Then last part is very important. We have to give column name with data type. Then we have to give check keyword. Finally we have to give condition, right? This is the syntax. We will use this syntax and we will discuss the example. So first alter table name, we have to use modify clause. Then we have to give selected column name. We are choosing brother underscore name with the data type char. Then we have to use check keyword. Then we have to give condition. So to check values while entering we have to give condition. So our condition is inside a bracket brother underscore name equal to k. The meaning is if the entered value is k or not, it is going to check. If it is not a k, it will not accept. Only k data will be accepted. So for that we are using check constraint. Here we are adding check constraint to brother underscore name column by using alter command. Query okay. We are going to check the structure of table, but here we cannot see the check constraint. By adding values, by inserting values only, we can check whether the check constraint is working or not. So for that we have to insert some values. See here we inserted one row of data, right? So here In the place of brother underscore name, we have given k. K is accepted because the check data we given is k. So you can check the condition value is k, so the condition is true because the value which is given while inserting data is k and k is equal. Again I am going to insert m. Here we are having two set of datas, first set and second set. First we added one set of data. You can check our fourth data is k, so the check data is also k, both are equal, it is accepted. And while adding second row data, the fourth column data is m, but the check data is k, both are not equal, so check constant is not accepting particular row of data. Check constant is working. So next we are going to learn how to delete a check constraint. So finally we are going to learn how to delete a check constraint. So alter table name is common. Here we are going to use drop clause. Then here we are going to use check keyword. Then after check constraint we have to use this format. Later classes I will explain about this. Okay, so first we have to use table name underscore chk keyword underscore 1. If you are using this, you can delete a check constraint, otherwise we cannot delete. Alter table name is common. Now we are going to use drop clause. Then we are going to use check keyword. So this is reference for check constraint. So here we have to use this name t1 underscore chk underscore 1. So this reference name we have to use after check keyword t1 underscore chk underscore 1. It's a very important concept. So if you want to delete check constraint, alter table name is common. Then we have to use drop clause. Then we have to give check keyword. Finally we have to give reference name for check constraint. You can see here, right? So t1 underscore chk underscore 1 is a reference name for check constraint. That's it. So we deleted check constraint. Again we have to check whether the check constraint is deleted or not. So for that, easily we can check by inserting values. Previously we tried to add this data. On that time check constraint is there. Check constraint is not deleted, so it is not accepting. Now check constraint is deleted. So if I am trying to add this, if it is accepted, check constraint is deleted, right? Error, duplicate entry, because primary key is there. So 1 now you can see that it is accepting because check constraint is deleted. So after we deleted check constraint, we can add any value in particular column, right? So initially while check constraint is there, m data is not accepted because check constraint value is k, right? So that's why it is not accepted. So after deleting check constraint, I tried to add same data. Now it is accepting because check constraint is deleted. So one more concept is there, foreign key. It will be discussed in next video. Thank you.